Hi, I'm John Hazzard, and for me, it's all about food. Today I want to make for you another cocktail from the Office cocktail book, which is right here. And again, I'm going through all of the recipes in the Office cocktail book. Again, this is a cocktail bar in Chicago, which is owned by Chef Brant Ackes of Alinea. And I like his restaurant. I've been there last year for dinner. I've been there, that's my second time going to Alinea. It was phenomenal. And I also been to the Office as well too, and I love the Office. So I thought I will make these cocktails. So this next cocktail is actually called the SideCar. And it consists of these ingredients. I'll just take this book out of the way. It's 2 ounces of Hennessy, Cognac, 2 ounces of that. We have a 3/4 ounce of Cointreau. I'm just gonna do a bar spoon of the simple syrup. I'm gonna do a 3/4 ounce of the lime juice or lemon juice. And then of course we're gonna garnish with a bit of lemon. And it's a shaken cocktail, so I have my Boston shaker and I'm gonna shake it. So let's just go ahead and get started with this cocktail. I'm first gonna get my Boston shaker. I'm gonna measure 2 ounces of the Cognac. So we're gonna put that right in here, 2 ounces. Good, that's a good 2 ounces of Cognac in there. Then we're gonna do a 3/4 ounce of Cointreau. So let's put this one in. 3/4 ounce of this. It smells so lovely. So 3/4 ounce of Cointreau. I'm also gonna do a 3/4 ounce of lemon juice or lime juice if you have it. Just right inside here. Good. 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And then we're going to do a bar spoon of the simple syrup, which is equal parts of sugar and water. And I used granulated sugar. Just put a bar spoon of this in there. That's good. And then of course it's a shaken cocktail, so we're going to add some ice. So I have some ice cubes here, and that's going to assist with the dilution of the cocktail. Okay. Let's add some more ice. One more. That's lovely. Cover this back. I'm going to pour this in here now. Let's pour this back in. That's it, and we give a shake. Okay, so now this has always been my difficulty. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So this is and no one has left a comment. I was asking people to leave a comment as to the easiest way to open up the Boston shaker. Leave a comment. As a matter of fact, once I learn that, I'm going to make a video on the easiest way to open your Boston shaker. So it's kind of now suctioning and it doesn't want to release. So I really would also want to do that because, as you know, I am a beginner cocktail maker, but I enjoy making cocktails. Oh, there we go. All right, so we have that. And we're going to go ahead now and strain this right into our glass here. So I have the glass here. We're going to go ahead and strain this right into here. Great. It's a beautiful color. Just put this aside. And then we're going to get a bit of lemon to garnish, just the skin. Good. I do a little lemon twist. Let me drop that in the cocktail. And that's our SideCar. A very simple cocktail to make. Again, it was 2 ounces of Hennessy, Cognac, 3/4 ounce of Cointreau, 3/4 ounce of lime or lemon juice, a bar spoon of the simple syrup, and then of course it was shaken, and then we garnish it with a bit of lemon inside of it. So let's just go ahead and taste this amazing SideCar cocktail. That is delicious. Amazingly delicious. I can taste both the Hennessy and the Cointreau inside of it, and it's not too sweet or anything of that nature. It's outstanding. It's lovely. So again, this is a SideCar. So if you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, ring the bell, and again, my name is John Hazzard, and for me, today was not only all about food, but it was also all about the cocktail. And again, it's a cocktail called the SideCar from the Office Bar in Chicago. I'll see you next time on All About Food.